So the testimony just wrapping in this hearing in Atlanta, the witness Terrence Bradley, the divorce attorney for Nathan Wade, all part of the Fani Willis case and the election interference case against Donald Trump and others. And NewsNation's Elizabeth Prann has been covering it throughout the afternoon live from Atlanta, and she joins us right now. So that was inside the courthouse. Elizabeth is outside. Tell us what we learned in this testimony today.
Well, Connell, it was a very contentious 2 hours. There were a total of 8 attorneys questioning Terrence Bradley. He used the phrase, "I don't recall" or "I don't remember" about 60 times, and there were 50 objections from the state. That sort of gives you a gauge of just how much was done over those 2 hours and how heated it was. At the crux of this hearing, remember this was breaking news last night, is that the judge ruled that there was one conversation that was not protected by attorney-client privilege. So the defense was trying to narrow down a timeline of when the relationship began. There was a lot of questioning about a text exchange between Terrence Bradley and the lead attorney, that's Ashley Merchant. Those two were friends before. They had allegedly talked about the relationship via a text message, and he said now that was all speculation. I want to play a bit of sound for you so you can gauge really just how heated it was inside the courtroom. Listen here.
I'm asking you, how did you know that?
How did I know when they met?
Somebody told you that, right?
When they met?
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Who told you?
Mr. Wade told me when they met.
So you had more than one conversation about the relationship between Mr. Wade and Ms. Willis, because he told you where he met her.
Yes,
correct?
Incorrect. Incorrect.
It's incorrect.
It's incorrect.
There was also a lot of questioning from attorneys whether or not he recognized that he was under oath. They asked him multiple times if he remembered that he was under oath and if his testimony was true, and he said it was. Connell?
The guy's an attorney. You think he would remember or no. That's interesting. When is this thing going to be wrapped up, meaning this hearing? When will we know what the outcome is? Is it the end of the week, or what's the timeline?
Right, and we've been on our toes, right? Because this was a surprise last night. The next hearing is scheduled for Friday at 1 p.m., and that is for closing arguments on both sides. Now, the judge can rule from the bench, but he also can make a motion. Remember, he has to decide if there is a conflict of interest, if taxpayer dollars were being used for this relationship, and if it began prior to 2021 when they alleged that they met. He has to decide all that. Connell.
Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.